Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. ஸோ இந்த வீக் நிஃப்டியோட மூமெண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும், லெவல்ஸ் எந்த மாதிரி இருக்கலாம், எந்த அளவுக்கு மார்க்கெட் வந்து மூமெண்டம் கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்றத வந்து பார்ப்போம். ஸோ வில் கோ ஒன் பை ஒன் ஃப்ரம் கேன் வில் ஸ்டார்ட். ஸோ கேனில் எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு ஆப்ஷன் செயின் அண்ட் டெக்னிக்கல் அனாலிசிஸ். ஸோ மூணுலேயும் வந்து நிஃப்டியும் பேங்க் நிஃப்டி எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்றத பார்த்துடலாம். வில் கோ வித் கேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஸோ கேனை பொறுத்த வரையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we'll take Nifty, GAN wave. So currently in the group I've already said market வந்து 11,660 க்கு மேல டே க்ளோஸ் கிடைச்சா it will move further அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். So this is the number that I said in a group. So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 11,664 இதுக்கு மேல டே கேண்டில் க்ளோஸ் கிடைச்சா the market will move further up to 11,827 or இதுக்கு மேல சஸ்டெயின் ஆக முடியலன்னா again it may come to 11,500 level. 11,500 level வரையும் மார்க்கெட் வந்து இறங்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த வீக் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ரெண்டு ஜோனுக்குள்ள மார்க்கெட் இருக்க வாய்ப்பு. மார்க்கெட் கண்டினியூ ஆச்சுன்னா it can move up to 12,000 also because the next zone is 12,000. So once this close is 11,881 zone broken, then next target is 12,045. So 12,000 is something very positive for market since it is a very sentimental number. Once 12,000 reached, then the movement will be very faster. So it move further up to 12,500 also. Okay, so as of now for this week level, my maximum levels will be around the 11,881 to 11,450. So this is my range for this current week. So in case break up, then it will move to 12,000. In case breakdown, it will move to 11,200. Okay, this is what I'm expecting as per GAN. So as per GAN, currently marketed the midpoint. So 664, the mid range now what. So in case Monday, நாளைக்கு வந்து market gap up ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா 11,718 க்கு மேல ஓபன் ஆனா then we can think about direct buying. So ஒருவேளை இந்த 11,660 க்கு மேல தான் ஓபன் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா then wait for price to reach 11,700. Then again if it is coming back to retest, then take a buy. Your target is 100 point. So 11,827 வரையும். So in case market opening down, gap down அப்படின்னா இந்த level கீழே open ஆயிட்டா directly go for a sell with a target of 11,500. In case opening flat or below this zone, then wait for price to touch 11,556. Then if it is retest the same 11,600 level, go for a sell. Your target is 11,530. So now this is the zone where we cannot take any trade between 11,700 and 11,600. This is a sideways range, so we cannot take any decisions in this range. So either market has to open above this level or below this level, then we can go for a trade. Or if it is opening inside, then we have to wait the price to test this levels, then we can go for a buy, and test this level we can go for a sell. So this is my view as per GAN method. So we'll see in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty moved very violently. So now at 24,525, we'll see with the technical analysis how the Bank Nifty will react for a coming week. So Nifty, I said the levels are very near. So right now this is in range market. So this is what the range is, 11,700 and 11,600. So in case opening above, go direct buy, or if it is opening gap up, then wait for price to test this level, and again if it comes for a retest, you can go for a buy. And if gap down, go for a sell. And if it is opening below this level or anywhere around here, then wait for this level to touch, then again retest, go sell, and this is your target as per GAN method. So we'll see technically and as well as option chain analysis also. So how the option chains are looks like. First, we'll see technically. So what Nifty is going to do. What is the target as per technical aspect. So we see 30 minutes. I'll take for a weekly. So I'm taking 30-minute chart for a weekly view. So currently see market started moving up, making higher highs. So it is moving higher high direction. So short term 4-hour chart. See very good up momentum. It is slowly moving. Even this also is head in groove. So if market moving like this slowly, then it can climb the new high. Market moving in the straight direction, I don't think so it will climb new high. Before new high it will come down for a correction. So I think as per my expectation market may move slowly. So I don't expect any violent move. So it can move slowly to the new high. So that is what the long term view for Nifty. So we'll see as per technical also. So technically the levels. So technically the major level breakout. So at 11,400, this is what the breakout level is. So now market moving started moving up. So as per this current swing, this is the swing low and this is the swing high, and again this is the swing low. For this, the target has to move as per Fibonacci extension. So we'll see Fibonacci extension where the projection is. So we take a Fibonacci tool and we see where the target shows. So this is how we project the targets. So see, already first target is completed. It is getting rejection in the same first target area. So this is what the rejection for 4-hour chart. 4-hour candlestick pattern is, it is giving rejection at this level, and it came down slightly, and again it is trying to do break. So in case if the level 11,760 broken, then we can expect 12,145. As per technical, the market has to move higher and high. So this is what the technical says, the simple technical analysis. So nothing big deal here. So this is what the swing is. So high and low, again it started moving up. Now target reached. So in case this level breaking out, then we can expect further up move till towards 12,140 range. So 12,140 range it can started moving up. Even if it is moving violently, then we can expect the new high. So this is where the target stands, 12,445. The new high may be found. So this is not an easy process and it will not happen by tomorrow itself. It is a long process. So we have to wait. வெயிட் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம ட்ரேட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இப்போ இருக்கிற ஸ்விங்குக்கு வந்து டார்கெட் ரீச் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஒருவேளை சின்ன கரெக்ஷன் கிடைக்குது, டிப் கிடைக்குது, இந்த 700 ரேஞ்சுக்கு மார்க்கெட் ரீச் ஆயிட்டு ஒரு டிப் கிடைக்குதுன்னா இட் இஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி ஃபார் பையிங். ஸோ அகெயின் மார்க்கெட் வில் மூவ் டுவோர்ட்ஸ் த நியூ ஹை. So this is what the momentum says. So we'll see with the option chain. Before going option chain, we'll see Bank Nifty also as per technicals. I'll go Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty have already plotted the lines. So now the same Nifty scenario. This is the swing low, and now Bank Nifty trying to make the targets. So Bank Nifty first target, the minimum target stands at 24,745. In case market opening above this level, then it will continuously move up towards 26,300 and the finally 27. So this is what the momentum for Bank Nifty. Now the very good triangle pattern breakout and it started moving up. So opening above this level can take price up to 27,000 by coming week itself. So in case opening below, and if it start reversing, means again it will come and test the same level and it will start move higher, because the target is not yet completed. So that is the reason there was a huge selling pressure as well as the sideways momentum. So now it started giving momentum. So Here it took lots of time, lots of time here. So I don't think so now it will take so much of time to move higher. So I'm expecting the momentum be like this. So we can expect 27,000 very soon in Bank Nifty. So as per current momentum. Okay, so we'll see option chain analysis also. We'll see how the option chains are looking like for even both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this website is it will be not available from 1st of September. So after that we have to see in our new website. I think so. Old website also is not available now. Yeah, old website not available for August. Yes, so we have to go to new website. So I'm going to new website. So from new website, so where I have to type Nifty. I think I have to type NSE India. I think it is not moving to a new website also. So yes, it is not moving to new website also. So we'll see with our Excel file. I think yes, there was an issue with the website. So even I couldn't access new website, which is giving same error. Yeah, which is giving same error. I couldn't access this. So no problem. We'll see an option chain tomorrow whether if it is open. I'll update it in my group. So as per me, I've given a view for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is possible to move higher high. So 27,000 is the upside target. And if it is coming down, 23,000 is a good buying area where you can buy as much as possible. So Nifty I have given a zone. So technically it has started moving up. So it has reached almost the first target. So it has to go to the new high. So from here, if any dip towards this level, 11,400 level to 500 level, so we can accumulate. It can move higher highs. So thank you all for watching this Nifty and Bank Nifty view. So any further update regarding daily intraday momentum, I'll update in blog, my blog, and the blog will be shared in our group also. So you can join a group to get instant update about Nifty and Bank Nifty momentum, even crude oil momentum. So thank you all.